Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to look cute in a short amount of time. And especially if you're recovering from acne, you guys know that a lot of makeup does not help. So I'm going to show you my secret of like putting on my makeup because I'm recovering from acne. So right now I'm going to start with this MAC eyeshadow. It's Glamour Check by MAC. So I'm going to use this brush right here to apply just on the base of my eyelid. If you notice, I didn't apply no primer. I didn't apply no white eyeshadow where my eyebrow begins, because again, this is a quick tutorial without having to do all that extra contouring and still look cute, you know? So I'm applying the eyeshadow on my base. And after I do that, I'm gonna get my blending brush. It's my blending brush from Smashbox. So now you see me just blending where the crease, and I'm like rotating it all on my eyelid. That's like the easiest way to create a smoky eye. It's really easy, and it's like you don't need to put like extra effort, like, you know, not like trying to downgrade other people's makeup tutorials, but this is easy, fast, and it looks like you spend a long time doing your makeup, but it's really fast. So I'm blending just so it could look, you know, cute and presentable. And I didn't show you guys that I did use like my MAC makeup. Like I did use my MAC Studio Tech to cover like any acne scars that I have, and it's the creamy one. So I didn't show you guys that, but whatever. Oh, it's because guys, I messed up my selfie stick, so my camera was falling. So now after I blended it, it kind of does get light. Okay, I'm still blending, but after you blend the eyeshadow, it starts looking light. And so what you do is you get your other stick that you applied the eyeshadow on the base, and just dab it on the base again, like on your eyelid, after you blended it, so you could get that dark effect look. Because after, when you blend your eyeshadow, it kind of gets light because you're like smearing it all over your eyelid. So you're gonna want to go back and use the other brush and pat that eyeshadow in there, so it could give it the dark effect. And right now I just blended a little bit more, because you know you do get a crease when you add more eyeshadow, and you don't want that crease. It looks tacky. Look, that's what I was talking about, my makeup that I use to cover my acne scars. And I use the cream one because powder is not good for you. It looks ugly, well, from my experience. And that's my bronzer that I use from Smashbox, and it is called Smashbox Vlada Petal Metal Highlighter. Oh, I guess it's not even a bronzer, it's a highlighter, but I use it as a bronzer anyway, so who cares? It still looks cute. So right now I'm gonna apply some of that on my cheeks. So I'm applying some. And this is what I do, so I won't have to do all that contouring stuff, because it's all extra, and I don't feel like contour looks right on me. So that's why I do this little makeup. So now I'm going to apply my eyeliner, and I'm gonna use Bobbi Brown gel. It's called Black Ink. It comes in a little pod, or whatever it's called. But that's how I use my eyeliner. And I use an eyeliner, yeah, you see, that's the Bobbi Brown. I use that eyeliner stick, and as you guys can see, I don't use the pens, the liquid pens, because I don't know, I just feel like with this one I could create any eyeliner I want. If I want that bold look, I can do it. If I want like a little natural look, what I'm about to do, I could do that like really easy. and I usually wear big bold eyeliner, so that's why I use this pot. So you guys can't see how I'm doing it, but maybe in the next video I'll show you guys. But you see, it goes on really fast, and it gives you, and it's when you use this the brush, eyeliner brush, it gives you a more effortlessly eyeliner versus the liquid pen, from my experience. So now I'm just creating my eyeliner, and you guys can't really see it again, but it's okay because you guys will see it after. So doing my eyeliner, making it a little more black. Okay, and then I'm done. And you see, that's my eyeshadow, my eyeliner. And what I'm just gonna make this look like, you know, you spend a long time creating this look, is the eyelashes. That's the only thing that makes you look like you spend hours on your makeup, when you really just spend 20 or 12 minutes on your makeup. So now what I'm gonna do is get the Ardell. That's my favorite eyelash glue. I like the black one. I don't like the white one because the white one leaves white flakes, and from my experience, the black one is the best one. So I'm gonna grab my tweezer, and I'm gonna place those eyelashes on my eyelashes, not on my eyelid. Like right where my eyelash grows is gonna be laid on it, like that. It's gonna be laid on my eyelashes, not on your eyelid. And there's where most people have problems with. And literally this only takes like 1 minute. Like as you guys can see, 1 minute, that's it. They're not dry, the eyelashes are nothing, but just leave them alone and they'll dry by themselves. Now you get your other one and you do the same thing. And these are new eyelashes, so I just bought them today. Usually I reuse mine, and I'll show you guys on the next video how to reuse eyelashes. Oh, on another note, these eyelashes are only $6 at Walgreens, and I love Ardell eyelashes too. They're Ardell eyelashes, the double up ones. These are not my favorite, but they ran out of my favorite, so I just bought these. I don't know the number I have. Oh yeah, they are the, oh, they don't even have a number, but whatever. They're not my favorite, so, but they're just Ardell double ups, wispies. And so now I'm applying my other eyelash. Again, on your eyelash, you lay it on top of your eyelash, not on your eyelid, just close to where the growth of your eyelashes are. That's where you place them, and you lay it down. And now they're drying. I'm just gonna let them dry. Now I'm just gonna, like, I powdered my nose because some of that eyeshadow like fell on my eye, like on the bottom of my eyes. So I'm taking off the eyeshadow with powder. Honestly, if it was a looser brush, it would have been better, because that one kind of like smears any eyeshadow that you have, and then you're gonna have black under eyes. You don't want black under eyes. Okay, so another note, I do have bags, but I don't like to apply a lot of makeup because I am recovering from acne, and acne and makeup do not go together. So this is my secret right here. Mascara. That's what I use. You see my bags, because I do work a lot. That's my Urban Decay Perversion mascara. And that's my MAC Aaliyah quad of MAC, whatever it's called. I'm pretty sure if you guys use makeup, you guys seen that at the MAC store. And I use that really light brown, and you see that brush, I don't know what's it called, but it has a little round tip. Look, get that lightest one and rub it in there under your eyes. So basically make your eyes look blacker. It's kind of like eyeliner, but in a soft effect. And instead of makeup, it's not gonna cover your bags a lot like that, but it's better than using all that makeup, which If you're recovering from acne, you guys know that does not look good. So this is my technique. So now I applied that eyeshadow, and now I'm gonna apply black mascara, the blackest black mascara under on my bottom eyelashes. Try not to smear it under your eyes, because you're gonna still have to get a Q-tip and clean it, and then you're gonna take some of that eyeshadow off, and you don't want that eyeshadow off. But you see how like it makes your eyes look bigger, and it kind of hides the fact that you have bags if you guys work a lot, you know. So now I'm just painting my bottom eyelashes. Make sure you get all of them so it can make the nice effect. So apply, 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 apply. For my eyebrows, I did use the MAC Dip Brow. I didn't do my eyebrows. Maybe next time, if I have the guts to show you guys me without makeup, I will do it. Now I'm gonna clean the mascara that got under my eyelids while I was applying mascara. Under my eyelids, I mean under my eyes. I'm just checking. I didn't make a big mess, so it wasn't that hard. Now I see that I have like my scars are showing on my chin, so I'm gonna get that little MAC Studio Tech, the creamy makeup. And you see that brush? That brush is it's heaven. You guys need to get the MAC 170. That is the best, especially if you are acne prone. But wash your little brush. Anyway, now that I did that, covered my acne with that brush and my Studio Tech. No, is it Studio Tech? Yeah, Studio Tech. I'm gonna apply that MAC lipstick by Aaliyah, and it's called Try Again. Without eyeliner, I mean without lip liner, I did that. You see, I just got that lipstick, is a matte one, applied it to my lips. Looking cute, girl, looking cute, you know. It doesn't take that long, you know. And excuse my nails, I've been partying, and for some reason I broke my pinky nail and I broke my thumb, and I haven't fixed it. I am a nail tech, but so what? I do a lot of things. I don't have that much time. But you see, effortlessly, it doesn't look like a gang of makeup, you know. I suggest, instead of using a ton of makeup, if you guys do have scars, save up to go to the dermatologist, because makeup is not gonna cover a lot of things, you know. So that's my look, and yeah, that literally took me like 13-15 minutes to do that. It looks like I took more than that, but as you can tell, it's that fast. So makeup, bronzer, lipstick, eyeshadow, eyeliner, eyelashes, and eyebrows. It's not that hard.